Yo nyame emma Christ asumdwe enkamu nyina. Ya makwa ba ebie eba ye ntwumadie walk with me Lord. Ene me nante awurade eso. Medine Reverend Father Emmanuel Kwabna Efa Eji Amiroman Sofo Kumase Catholic Archdiocese. Na me somo kwada so IHM Parish. If I say so acha so company Most Reverend Gabriel Justice Yao Anoche ono hwe Kumase Catholic Archdiocese eso. Say ra Advent mu a na o say ye te ensem bi efa ho. Enu te na me ne menua ba
Sister Michelle Joy Atamu OSS.
And I did me dear Honchia me. It's a same Biaco dear. You say, Trini Bapa. And then, sister, you have 2 and half friends, so penny to be. You have a classmate. That's when you change. For their diocese. Now, near Ebetrichi and Combo. Repamuno, sister, I be in with the Achemo. And so I made the American once. Then the paid na yesofo 5 years mana ya wuramu yes air corner no na so ewade ye de na asi bepon bi a wo twotwo ngma bi mepam no ye beda sa ngma no enso adi na so na de betie Advent emra ye de sesi ho akwakodi Christmas and Jesus Christ na woda afidida enso. Yes, that you introduce.
So we have with us in the studio Reverend Father Gabriel.
And there you say,
Father Kwaba.
Yeah,
I said, Impombo Cordia.
Oh, Yamia do very day. Yamanajika crank.
Is that what a woman be from season to season?
No pray.
I don't think I near to answer for say, you were Advent Moody. Now, why seasons no man, Obama, you who the Advent, a was a mayor as a priest. There was a did it for there was a Ghana my if you are say oh baby Christmas you have to prepare yourself. Yes sir, you baby Christmas now turn tired now turn when you're living the core essence of Christmas. And into your choice Reverend Father into now so for ma yaso NTA say ka say Advent
Medican other when sisters say Martins are friend say me say dwumadi ya na mama kasa kakrai inu say ade aye ho nyina enim ye Advent train nanso ye betuto adwen kakra na ya kai ho ne ma bia e wo say na ye di kan ye kan Advent me person be kan eno nkwa ho asem sesi a na mu ye afini nyina ye Roman sorry na afi bia mu no me kan afi a enye January to December na December to January da bi ye bosumi ni da bi e be chase bi say ye birthday say on February a ekopum na esi February 1 year edi afi no Roman ya sorry mu ya mpem ye de Advent na chase nyansa afi ni nyina no ye di enkwagye abakwasem afidi that we celebrate our salvation history edi enkwagye ba ye dwi kwan nipa hwe ase no nyankopon fa so ebeji nipa nkwa edi eye ebra enipa ehwe ase obonemu no eye na Adamu nyankopon se hu hia so san soma ne ba ema obe na obeji yen edi eye Advent chase yanse efilati ka friend Adventus now I say bibi eba na the coming and is a bibi ba is there mutunyo enuano bibi kase bibo eba edru opona no ejiri fo bi and is bibi ba na eba
and so no we can bibi bro
so as bibi ba so are as sabe bebe it is a bibi ba and you say dan eba eh Ewurade Yesu Kristo na ye den eba and you obeba no ansa na Yesu eye ne maye no edi kan mu ahodo mienu ye hwese obeba bebu yaten obene ne second coming no anane ma etoso mienu no ana ye san hwese ye be kai se ye wo no ebra ye wo ne sabo baby ase ebe fa nipa honam ete bia ye na eto ne so edi we ni niam mienu adwon ti se hwe nkwa gia bakwasim na ansa na ye be wo Yesu no ehun hia se Ewurade siesie ne nkofo no ti ye kai za ngoma ne tie ye dua na nche mienu ebe kire o se eni bi kasa wo sere se mun siesie Ewurade den akwan enti sa akwan no ana Advent mi ye den yesiesie ansa na sa uni akro beba no se ne kro mu kra ne nkura ase so hene bi beba etimi ye kwan ya bi e portu kretimi kodwa so ne ye de ne ma fele so enti Jesus eba no ye nso Advent no is a time and a bra o se ye na yesiesie ho ehwe se ye na agin kwa Jesus Christ ebe den ebeba enti we are preparing to welcome Jesus. That's the purpose of our Advent season. if I'm okay, then you can continue.
Okay, Father, I would also like to ask you to enlighten us, because during the Lenten season, the color of the vestments, the altar is violet, and also the same during Advent.
Okay.
So, and also during Advent too, I observe that we don't take the Gloria during the Mass. It will not be sung or recited.
Okay.
So, are they the same thing, the Lent and the Advent?
Oh, why are they? I'm sister beside question here. Say Lent ni Advent ni share Calabako. Fanasa. Violet and I say, besides you, yeah, and besides you, and I say violet color. It's normal, it's an answer repentance. Now, it case you might be a Lenten, who case you know Lenten. Now, Advent, you can't enter. You can say a season of paradise, if I put that way. And they say, any Jew, Kagana, also Kakra, and who look at Crown here, they won't. And only say, such American, morning, and a radi will be away day, Aberdeen. A Joseph Pia Sacra and Radiji Bano Banazua and Amapaso. A J. Advent, you say, Unuka cry, ye deserve no. Now a year need Panaso. We anticipating it. Ye ready to cry and say, Bewa and Quana day, Aberdeen. A Gianutina Ibia, Lent name, Advent, ye day, ye say a year violet, no, and a year Gloriano. Any kind Gloria and Nigeria anyway. Now, a Nigeria was any genuine to Gloria. Say, you shall say, and quite Yabaka, ye can't history. Yana, ye can't Abacas and quite Yabacas. Now, Baba said, we will be preco. Zabia can't one Bacas, maybe preco Casimir, and answer, we will Debbie, who many can't cancel your fast here, and a brow soon ye. It's Anna ye and Niges and Gloria and genuine. A briar to a briar to a briar which is an above one. You can look at the Betimini to Nana. You would just above near them, a truth that listen to wondrous story, Christ one day, glory to going higher. This is happening here, they are it is share Advent as here. Sabrano, ye need any you pay. It is transient use and son, and ya to a year and DJ annual. Lent Mons and say, any brain to know, and see to say any genuine, and see a Nuntinibia, Yenti Gloria, and you a year Lent in Advent.
Okay. Yes, and as we see church, Nimiano, yet he says, whom I could have fitted be. I could have fitted be. Sorry, I didn't know CCA. Never did I see me. I would like to see me no as a Easter, and in Brunia, Cassia Pan Easter, and a Brunia. And if you are a media, you are quite good races, you are the 80. Name was over Tias year, and so Betias year, say, I'm quite young. History and our papa near the Yaka. Sorry, time when you can, but Yen say, any kind, Advent, you believe, is easy one or kind of chrono. Christmas, ya woni akrona ye twen no na ye ordinary time no oni akoni ye won dwuma di nti ye won no ye di na fe ordinary ye bekunu di ye bekunu ye siesie wan ye den and desire Lent di ekunu hwie ni edi o so hia ni edi Easter no so ye den afam e do hwie no asoma ni susu ngwa ma se so dwuma di obedi no ye nto aso ni edi ordinary time e to so mi no ti obedi akomsa hini no be boy no be wie na di kwesi ni twatro ye say Christ ye hin as a hini no be boy who dey rule. Yeah, dear, I feel the bad idea. The grandfather Gabriel at there, this say, and I change which oh, say, Advent, yes, yes, here, home, your prayer, home, at the Christmas, Jesus now war a fidida. Now Lenten, so, yes, yes, here, home, at the new war, need the sorry, a fidida, said the watch, Yada Sapa, and so. Now, just the air beside reef. Oh,
yes. Okay. I also want to enlighten us about the wreath. We see it on the altar. We don't know, is it for decorating the to add beauty to the Advent decoration on the altar? Is it meant only for the parishes and convents?
Oh, okay. Okay, that's reef
no ma wonya hunu reef no ene ede ato kasafonyini so no e wa parish bo hon ma omo ye no chenkusa eye enwura enu bi ba eye sa edua na etimi kwankwan no konto na de flowers no 9 asimu rose flower ba ko na purple no e don so miensa e say 4 seasons no na 4 Sundays no no edie no na fe bu akwade de fita na white no SCP and no che Christmas
dey em say enti ase kakre bien say sem kan ye kan nyina no me de me ka say enkwa dia ba kwase ma fida na edi na say Nyankopon edi kan ye circle circle na ye de flowers na ye no kire ne ma miensa di ne ma de edi kan se era na obo obi ase no a obo nipa he lives in eternity era de what da ana nipa so ne ye kra ye kra na ye kra to da na era na ko pese ye kra nya ni je da bia na so boni nti ye kra ehre edije no benya bo nse da bi ontumi e ma ye dra wra ho musa enti obes man ba mo aye den oba enti ye tos me ensa ne se ejinoma eternal life right na dan kwa erade dia ye den abrayen enti nyema me ense nyankopon ti ho da enipa kra emu da me kan sa eni se nyanko yesu a wode dan kwa ye den abraye kra so ena ye kanda no ebi e nan bi enum na ne nyina ne se gina ba bia won so sofo na sofo ne se ne opeso o kireche mu na se di ka ye nan no miensa violet na ba ko ne di kan no ibu a kireche mu theology ibu ma theology afa ma nan kireche afa di ka mu si gina ho ma the hope and I need that so and say above for a prophets no omo kan da so ansem so bi ba ba na abaji tie se di panya ni da so ana be so love e de to yunu en say nyankon ye donti na osuma na do ba ko ye den abrayen e dien for do nya de nsia no ana de to so mienza gade de nije and say who say we asi ye nya ni yesa say ya sabre no se maka ya chemienu e fe di kan ye e si e bi se urade be hu ya ten na de to se we bon ti se ye di nyenza no after the run here, but I'm right. I've been woman in your day, and they are there. I can't grab it. I can't grab one of once. And you can't go Jesse and me at the edge. And you are no unhappy. Oh, Pandeno Deva, Sunji, and every year, city at all now. Near dear day, as soon as I spread a peace candle. And dear, we are now getting woody, Fitiano, and Susi Vivi. It's as we get in Abba, and you know, I know I see on you, Yazi Hino. No one is even no. It's no Peter and dance from Sampa Christ. Ye no, ye now no, a baby yes, or the high up yes.
It is so Advent brief candles now. That's what I say, and yes, a bit just for decoration. There be it's not that Kai no me no baby. Your auntie work with me a lot, and the men nante a radi, and now when you go so much, so share that uti. And our twins our father gave a day to say, I'm a classmate from Koforidia Diocese, and I ne on the Abatri and more and so in. And then my name, Reverend Sister Michelle
Joy Atamu OSS.
And the dear what you mean. It's a young of weather as P.
Miss Madam was and Michelle White.
So, Father, a day, Atra and woman, from season to season. And no more, and what church says, I did no kind of went to my canina, or fast Simona, Ubenian Blue, Advent, Lent, ordinary time, and Easter time, Xmas, Christmas, Nina, a war, sir, and woman is more. Now, was it the bed and well lunch? Oh, lunch in here, 8 December, I could say every week. Okay, okay, 8th December, yeah, you know, okay, 9:30 near Charles of Mass, as in after Mass near the. Now you walk mass in the bed. Oh, Mansur, medieval FST. Nice, I believe you grab my Archbishop answer. Your Greece and Sana, Avia, Media. What kind of Yamajaba? And the Avia softwares who are around and so very number of Jenny, my own summer church will bet you more and oh, okay, that's medical madam was the Mamma Queen and some medicine guitar on game. Now I met you, parish priest, Father William Pussime, and I can do parish Buena, and I miss Minia, Father Raphael. I can when you are so full of read a dozen now. No commas so a year I look for me first one boy, Father Cosmos, I know what he's so good work of Yanao, and I hear Father Jantua. Adwato and see Madam Winana, Father Isaac with whom we cause meet. Any are so for I can't go. I like Yamuno Makina, Yamisha Vivia, Madam Wasipa.
I want to greet Sir Odro, Sir Ebenezer, Father Asare, Parish Priest, St. Teresa Catholic Church, Bidiani, and his assistant, Father Innocent, and the entire Parish Pastoral Council. Greeting all of you.
Oh, ain't here a telephone phone has ye try home back a crabby. Now you're the cat news and nay standard news letter discussion and so after so.